Let's spin a disc.
Greetings, family. How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, fam. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now, man, if you're not staying underneath a rock somewhere or a wilderness somewhere, you know what I'm saying, and if you have been cruising around these social media streets, man, you understand that, or you came across a story whereby Jah Prayzah was allegedly humiliated at President Mnangagwa's inauguration ceremony, you know what I'm saying, by none other than the ZANU PF party. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that has been pretty much the word on the social media streets. All right? But now, Lord and behold, man, I got something interesting right here, man. It's spicy chakalaka. You know what I'm saying? Red hot, just the way we love it. You know what I'm saying? So right here, I've got Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, who was also invited to the same inauguration ceremony, who also witnessed the same humiliation allegedly that Jah Prayzah underwent at the hands of ZANU PF. So we've got an eyewitness account and testimony of Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa on what actually transpired. Man, this is gotta be sweet. This gotta be juicy, man. So Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa wants to clear the air on why why Jah Prayzah was humiliated, or why events happened the way they did, how things came to be that Jah Prayzah was rushed off the stage by ZANU PF. You know what I'm saying? Man, this is gonna be good. If you feel some type of way, put it down in the comment section, son. Put it down in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'm your boy Bliss, and I'm
It reminds me of a story that I heard from a brother of mine was telling me as we were driving. Just maybe I think it was just a week after we had attended the inauguration.
Okay, something like that.
And it was just a story he was saying. He was telling me of things that people were saying against a certain artist, how he was seemingly humiliated. So he was just talking to me concerning what happens on social media and so on. And then I began to lecture him on that and to help him really understand that there is a life beyond lies. When you are free, when that day finally comes and you are free from the influence, even of social media, then you know that your freedom has finally come. So I was telling him that, you see, it's amazing how you can be present in an atmosphere and be able to read exactly causes and effects. And I was telling him, I said, while that gentleman was singing, the reason why they had to stop him, if it was a humiliation, he sang the first song and he was singing the second song, and they stopped him from finishing this second song. And then after, they invited him again to sing the third one. So are you not supposed to investigate the kind of humiliation? Is it really humiliation? How come the moment he was stopped, immediately the coordinator, he asked the president to take his podium. And I saw the speed at which the president walked. And within some minutes, there was a gun salute. Bam, 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 bam. Within a few seconds, I saw jets flying over the stadium. So it means these jets were already on their way. Had they not stopped the man who was performing, they would have passed the place at the wrong time. So everything is being coordinated. So there is a person on the ground letting know the person who is coordinating of what is coming. Those things are flying. You imagine the speed at which those things are coming. So it is everything is timed to a point where if there is any activity that might interfere with that timing. It has to be stopped. Nothing to do with humiliation. But how come a brain, a gift given to somebody, cannot comprehend that? How can you be in a place, in an environment, and you cannot read events? Anyway, let's dismiss it's a cerebral gift.
We like that.
So deal with that. So that we help people to think, so that when you're in an environment, you maximize. When you're in a workplace, you're not just there to collect a salary. Get understanding. Causes and effects. You have to make use of the gift of the brain. Don't wait for the gift of tongues.